already cut the pork like this much. Now what you want to do, first you have to add just a little bit salt. Next I'm going to add corn flour. Oops, like 1 teaspoon. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and just a little bit ginger, like this much. And mix very well. Now it's nicely mixed. Now what you want to do, just leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Select the sauce. For sauce, I'm going to use 2 teaspoon cooking oil, 2 teaspoon soy sauce, I'm going to use Chinese vinegar, cooking vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Here I'm going to use Chinese chili sauce. This is not so much spicy, so I'm going to add just a little bit. It will give a nice flavor. Mix well. That's it. Now I'm going to fry first pork after 20 minutes later. So ready to get fried. Leave it for 2 more minutes. Next I'm going to put aside and add the sauce. Add garlic and red chili, and give it a good mix. Now leave it for 10 minutes for cook for low heat. Now I'm going to add Chinese celery. Mix well. Again, leave it 2-3 minutes. After that, I'm going to add celery leaves. Alright, now it's done. See how it is simple. Pork with Chinese celery. Okay, it's done. My gravy pork. It's ready. My final little recipe. pork gravy recipe. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your friends, comment down below. Let me know how it is, and thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.